Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a Fortnite account. So Fortnite is basically a game where you guys can build and play. If you guys don't know, let me just show you guys what it is. I'm not going to show its video, I don't want to get copyrighted, alright? I'm just going to show you guys it's basically photos so you guys understand what this game is. It was pretty famous game in 2020. It is also famous right now. A lot of people see it. As you guys can see, this is what Fortnite is. Now to create its account, just follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on to get notified for our future videos like this. Sorry for that background noise. There's like a lot of constructions happening. Please avoid it. Let's get into the point. First step, you want to search for Epic Games. So basically, Epic Games is the company which made Fortnite. So if you guys have Epic Games, any games which is under Epic Game, you can play it with only one account. You can even play like other games. I don't know any other Epic Games. I'm just gonna search it for you guys. Basically, games over here. So basically, Fortnite, Unreal, Fall Guys, Rob Call, Shadow Complex, all of these games you can play with one Epic Games account. So Fortnite also falls under this. So if you can create an Epic Games account, you can even play Fortnite, alright? You don't have to create a separate account for Fortnite. So the first step is you want to search for Epic Games account creation, EPI. Once you go to Epic Games account creation, click on register for Epic Games account. It's going to take you to the registering page. Over here, you can choose if you have like a Facebook, you can create an account by linking your Facebook. Same with Google, you can link it. Same with Xbox. Link your Xbox account. For PlayStation, Nintendo, Steam, Apple ID, you can do that. Alright, if you have an account already, click on sign in. So you want to click on over here sign in with email over here, and over here you can choose which country you are, and over here enter your first name, and then over here enter your last name, and you want to choose your display name. And remember, if anybody already has that display name, you cannot use it. Your name has to be unique to you, because through that display name only other Epic Games player can search you. I'm just gonna write myself Epic Games and random number, so nobody has this name, so I think I can use it. And an email address, you want to write an email address for yourself over here. So I'm going to write this email address. Now remember, this email address, when I forgot my password, I need to have access to this email address in order to recover my Epic Games account. Alright, keep that in mind. Now create yourself a password for your account over here like this, and tick mark both of this box, click and continue, and our account under this information will be created. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. Now I need to verify myself I'm a human by completing this step, but I don't want to create an account right now. That's why I'm not going to move on the next step. But there is no next step. Once you complete this, your account of Epic Games will be created. Once your Epic Games account is created, you can download Epic Game Launcher. From that Epic Game Launcher, you can download Fortnite and play Fortnite. That's how this works. Hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.